From 1955, December 1st, when the bus boycott began in Montgomery, to April 3rd, 1968, I think he began to have even a more sober theological and ministerial understanding for how entrenched he called militarism, racism, and economic poverty. The beloved community was a long project, the King, but the immediate thing was to change the structures that oppress people, particularly in race, poor people, class, and militarism. I think he sounds a clarion call for churches even today. Right. So he's talking about structures and systems as well as changing heart. It has to be both. Can't be either or.